In this video, I want to show you how to do brioche stitch. This is brioche stitch here on this sample, and I'm working in the round and in 2 colors. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do because I've got a couple patterns that use this technique. So before I show you how to do it, let's take a look at what's happening with the fabric. This is my cast on edge, and you can see here I cast on with 1 color and I just did some stockinette stitch. It makes a little rolled edge on this piece. So I did a few rounds just knitting. And then I started my brioche stitch. I added a 2nd color and I started creating this texture stitch. If you look at the fabric, you can see on this side, which was the outside of my work, that this green color, the contrasting color, made a knit column. And then it kind of sinks in between. It almost looks a little bit like purl bumps, and actually that's what it is. If you look at the other side, you can see the other color makes the knit columns, and then we have the purl bumps in between. It doesn't look like regular purls because what we're doing essentially is catching the extra color in each of those stitches. So the color that's not on the surface, on this side the blue, green is on the surface, and you can see that the contrasting color there, the 2nd color, is going in between the stitches and getting caught in them. And then when we look at it from the other side, it's exactly the same, but the colors are reversed. So you can see that the main color for this side is on the surface, and then this 2nd color is getting caught in the stitches. And if you look really close and pick each of these stitches up with the purl bump, you can actually see that it contains 1 strand of each color. They're being caught together in every stitch. And then this 1 color goes across here and becomes a knit, and this other color from this column goes and gets caught in behind that knit. And that's happening on both sides. When you work brioche back and forth, it's all the same on every row. But because we're working in the round, we're going to have to do a knit round and a purl round. And that might not make sense to you right now, but I'm going to show you how to do it now, and then you'll see it clearly. It's actually really easy.